Alright, what's up, guys? So I got Steam, and I have this cool mod where it makes everything OG. And I obviously, when you go on Steam, you go back in time. So yeah, this doesn't look right. I think it's a glitch because there's stupid stuff here. And also, I got a mod menu. So what should I do? I got faster Mosa, but then Slip Slap is on. I could literally do all this on Steam by itself. Okay, I'm gonna switch into my PC VR. It just looks like I'm on PC VR, you feel me? So obviously, if you guys don't know, this is what PC VR looks like. But it doesn't look like that for me. Well, I can make it look like it for me if I wanted it. Like, it's glitched. It looks like I'm on Pico, because, like, look. You guys will never know where I'm going. Like, look at my camera view right now. I can't lose you anymore. I'm glitching. Because I can't even lose you right now. Okay, I did it a little bit. The Loki makes me look like a robot. Also, I have a cosmetics mod, as you can see. I'm getting higher than I ever do, so. But it just makes it look like I'm on. Look, like it's so glitched. I'm not used to Steam. People say it doesn't feel different, but that's so cat. It's cat. Look at me, bro. Should I like turn off all my mods and put it on Steam VR? Obviously, I like the fall update, so I made it fall update. There's a mod for that, and it's just back in time as well. None of those new stupid maps, you feel me? And I'm a comp player, so I only play in here. Sometimes, nah, this is literally the only place I play in for real. This is what it looks like from my point of view. Kind of looks like I have FOV on, somewhat. But like the hand tracking is way off. Like my head boxes, my arm is like right here. This is where. And tracking is crazy. I might put you guys back in PCVR. PCVR. It's just weird. Don't you guys like my cosmetic mod though? Like the glowing I'm not sure if other people can see it or not though. Run. This is literally Pico. Like Pico on Steam would be crazy actually. I wonder if you can even do that. My VR is at 1%. I think I was. Live camera mod is on, so I want to see if it actually works. It's just hard to control, and I can see you, Angel. It's hard to control.